Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will teach you how to update Windows 11 Home version to Pro version without any data loss on your system. By using this method, you can update from the Home to the Pro version seamlessly, keeping your data, files, and settings unchanged. Here you can see my PC having the Home version of Windows 11. First step is you need to convert this Home version to the Pro version. Open the product key and activation menu. Here it's activated using a digital license linked to a Microsoft account. To convert it into a Pro version, open the upgrade option and click on Change Product Key. Then enter the generic convert key and click Next. The generic convert key is available in the official Microsoft forum. After converting, restart the system. Now your Windows 11 Home version is converted to the Pro version. The second step is to activate the Pro version. If you don't have a Windows 11 Pro license, then purchase a genuine product key from any e-commerce website like Flipkart, Amazon, or any other website that provides the genuine product key of Windows 11. You can buy from the official Microsoft website and offline stores. Then connect your PC or laptop to an active internet connection. Again, go to the activation menu and enter the purchased product key and activate it. Then again, restart the system and go to Windows Update Center and check for any new updates. If available, install it. Now your Windows Home Edition is successfully upgraded to Pro version, and all your data, files, and settings keep unchanged. There is no data loss or change in settings. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.